Chances are you have already heard of affiliate marketing, but for some reason, a lot of people think that affiliate marketing is a scam, a pyramid, or get rich quick scheme. This couldn't be farther from the truth. Affiliate marketing is a legitimate business model used by many reputable companies such as Amazon, Best Buy, and Sephora. Hi, my name is Victoria Ku. I'm a full-time mom of 4 and now an online business owner too. If you're interested in achieving time and financial freedom, please subscribe to my channel as I am on a mission of helping parents make a full-time income from the comfort of their home while raising their children. I'll be coming out with new videos every week, so please tap the notification bell so that you'll get notified as soon as a new video comes out. This video is part of a series. Throughout this series, I'll be covering the aspects of affiliate marketing, to the basics to getting started to some techniques that will help you maximize your earnings. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where a person promotes a product or service and earns a commission for each sale they make through their unique links. Now let's talk about why affiliate marketing is considered one of the best business models for beginners. There are several reasons, but here are some of the best reasons this is a business for beginners. Reason number 1, low startup cost. Affiliate marketing requires minimal investment as you don't need to create your products or services. You can start promoting other people's products with little to no upfront cost. Reason number 2, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to worry about stocking, packaging, or shipping the products, and the merchant will take care of all of that. You just need to promote the products and earn commissions on sales. Reason number 3 is flexibility. Affiliate marketing offers a lot of flexibility on terms of when and where you want to work. The perfect business model for people that want to work from home or want to travel the world or simply have other commitments, as you only need a laptop and internet connection. Reason number 4 is that you can make passive income. Once you've created content for a product or service, you can continue to earn commissions on that piece of content over time, which means that even if you're not actively promoting the product, that piece of content will continue to help you make money, which will be passive income. Reason number 5 is that you can diversify your income streams. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote multiple products and services from different merchants, allowing you to diversify your income streams. This can help you reduce the risks of relying on only one product for your income. Reason number 6 is that you get access to trainings and support. There are many resources available for beginners to learn about affiliate marketing, such as online courses, forums, and communities. This can make it easier to get started and build a profitable online business as a beginner. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing is a real business that offers you a low startup cost and allows you to work from anywhere and whenever you want. It is a great option for anyone that wants to start a side hustle or build a profitable online business. If you want to have access to the next video showing you how to get started with affiliate marketing, please tap the notification bell so you'll get notified as soon as the video is out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.